Okay, hello once again. This is your Highland Travelers. Another video na naman and a little quick update later on regarding the senior citizen exemption in the number coding. But for today's video, I want to take a shout out to our followers from La Union. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At least na i-inform tayo minsan-minsan na babawasan na ang ating nahuhuli sa daan. Okay, so regarding doon po sa experimental exemption of the senior citizen when it comes to the implementation of number coding, dalawang phase po yan. That comprises 90 days, okay? At marami pong interview na gagawin sa ating mga constituent na senior citizen. Dalawang phase po yan, okay? So hoping po na makipag-cooperate po kayo sa ating mga traffic enforcer kasi medyo mabusisa po yung proseso ng ating pag-i-interview sa inyo. Kailangan pong nating makuha yung exact details at least may lagay natin yung mga complete details natin doon. So, ito lang po paalala lang po, senior citizen po na resident ng city who are attending medical care or emergencies or yung mga senior citizen nating nagtratrabaho. Yun lang po yung coverage po nung experimental number coding exemption for our senior citizens. So hoping po clear po sa atin.